Well then, goodbye, Your Highness.
Goodbye.
Bye, Gidget. Be a good doggy.
Oh, you're a wonderful dog. Well, if you're ever in St. Petersburg again, look me up. So long, Vlad. My boy.
See you, Gino.
Here you go. See you later, Chloe.